Hey guys, I'm Raisa Naushin. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the day 7 of the bridal week. So for this look, I have already done the base and brows of camera. So first I'm applying some loose powder under her eyes so that it can catch all the fallouts from the eyeshadows. Now to highlight her brow bone, I'm taking those two highlight shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And for the first crease shade, I'm taking a really dark pink shadow from the Morphe Dare to Create palette. And to blend that pink, I'm taking an orange shadow from that same palette, and with a tiny blending brush, I'm blending out the edges. Now to intensify her crease a little bit more, I'm taking a really dark plum shadow from that same palette, and again with a dense packing brush, I'm packing it on the lower part of her crease. Now with some concealer, I'm going to carve out the cut crease. From the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking a light pink shimmery eyeshadow and I'm applying it all over her crease. Here I'm dusting off the excess powder from her under eyes. And to highlight her inner corners, I'm taking those same highlight shades. Now taking the NYC liquid eyeliner, I'm going to do a pretty dramatic wing with that, as this is an Arabian inspired eye makeup look. So now to take this look to a whole another level, I'm taking a glittery, kind of like a metallic eyeliner, and I'm applying it above the inner part of the wing and on the outer corner of the cut crease. Here I'm adding some mascara to prep her lashes for the falsies. And now for the lower lash line, I'm taking those two shades that I used earlier for the crease, and I'm blending it mostly on the outer part of her lower lash line. Now taking a little bit of black eyeshadow, I'm going to intensify her outer corners. For lashes, I'm taking the Pixie Beauty lashes in the style Balika. And here I'm adding some mascara on her lower lash line. Now to contour her face, I'm taking the Rimmel contouring kit and I'm contouring the hollows of her cheekbones, jawline, sides of her forehead and the sides of her nose. And for blush, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette and applying it on the apples of her cheeks. For highlight, I'm taking the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter and I'm applying it on the top of her cheekbones, chin and the bridge of her nose. And to set all of that makeup, I'm taking MAC Fix Plus. For lipstick, I'm mixing two of them. One is Cherish liquid lipstick in the shade A09 and another one is Kona by Farnaz liquid lipstick in the shade Catch Me If You Can. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed all the videos from my bridal week. Trust me, it was so much fun, but still it was really hard to make 7 bridal videos for this entire week. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed all of the videos. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to watch my other bridal tutorials as well. I will list all of the links on my description bar. So thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you again in my next one. Bye!